What is it? Buka dito na. There's some pork soup. You want some pork soup?
Hey, you already gave me.
Okay, you want some chocolate cake too? Okay, yan. Ano yung stand mo sa amin? Kasi, binigyan ko sa'yo? Di ba binigyan ko sa'yo? Or half leg. You cannot eat like, and then there's a chocolate right there to bit of the spicy if you want. Okay. Alright. Here, bebe. Hindi man yan malakas.
Did I bring my water down?
Ay, hindi siya makain. Okay lang. Meron pa oh. Hindi kasi. Baka sabihin mo ka. Dito na lang ako makakakain ng sinigang kasi ayaw na ni Charlie ng sinigang. Here, he's eating with me. You go sit down. Super awesome. Yeah. You want me to get you a plate, love? You want me to get you a plate? Okay. What's the chocolate bread? It's in the folder.
If there's any left.
Just a pin, ha?
Want some more coffee?
You want more coffee? Okay.
You want mommy to do it? You want me to do it?
I'll do it. Yeah. Come here.
Did I eat?
There's some in there.
Mommy,
On top of the cooler.
did I eat my meat with my hands?
Yes. You wanna try to? Okay, here. Come here. Well, you pick your one that you like.
know. That's why I was trying to figure out if I can find something.
Go on.
This one?
Okay. Now try yung ano?
I
Okay, okay. You break it from the head. Here, you want me to cut? Got you? Here. Like this.
I don't know.
Okay. Go into chop it.
Okay.
Oh, here, you do it. You do it. You just stand it on like your titas here. Flip it. Flip it. There you go.
Can you get some paper towel? Bring it in. Paper towel.
The whole
In the kitchen, yeah, the whole room.
I'll take it out.
No.
Okay, you wanna eat it?
Now all of them can eat it.
Talagang expert sa
Said eat it.
Yeah, all of them are.
Okay. You don't want this?
No, they were good.
Here. You want more? Here.
Saan na si ano? Si Winnie?
Ay, there you.
Uy! Si Winnie, hindi pinagsura.
Papa nga.
Alert daw siya.
Maglaro tayo
They can
mamaya.
eat too.
Maglaro tayo mamaya.
Traffic lang. Kayo lang, te.
Kasi ako man driver nito, pag nag-ayak uwi. Ano lang, oh, mamahalin kami sa akin yan,
Ay, burik.
Lord,
You want some rice?
Pagkasama ang isa,
I'm
may
fine.
ano
I don't want no more.
You want more?
More.
Coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm full.
This is one apple.
You can eat it here.
Ilalive na natin to. Tapos na yung record. Live na natin.